You're watching Guitar 101 Rammstein, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review of this 4-stringed cigar box guitar. My girlfriend just got this for me as a gift for the holidays, for Christmas, whatever you want to call it. But until recently I've heard about these, but it was just like a few months ago a student brought it up to me and I really looked into them, and I thought they're pretty cool from the idea of seeing them on videos. And well, I got a cool gift. So I opened this thing up and it's like opening a can of worms. It's going to be, I think I have to do a lot of videos on it. So in this video, I'm really just going to focus on a review of it. There's a lot of ways you can tune them, etc. I've tuned it kind of strange. It's in fifths. Acoustic right now. I'm plugged into a Kemper direct into the camera with it's a Marshall sound, JC800. So I think I'm going to go into a different video to go into the details for an introductory thing on this cigar box guitar. For this video, I just want to do a review. This is coming from a company called JN Guitars, and I have no idea about the price on it or the company. I looked into it. They have a YouTube page, they have a Facebook page. It's not a lot of followers. They don't seem to, on the YouTube page, it doesn't seem like they've been active for the last 2 years. But picking it up, all right, this is my first time playing a cigar box guitar, but I know cheap instruments and I know good instruments, and this is pretty good, I have to say. Just picking it up out of the box, it has weight to it. The neck has weight to it, and I knew right away this neck is pretty good. We'll go over the specs. The way it was packaged, it was packaged really good. Comes with a gig bag, which is really cool because it's very small. I will be taking this fishing in the future when my hands aren't so freezing outside to fish, and playing it on the river. It plays like a guitar. You can tune it so many different ways. That's really cool. But let's go over the specs first, which I'm gonna have to look over here. But they make different models. This company. This is the cask hogscoal, and they have this whole cask series based on whiskey casks, which is casks, which is pretty cool. But I don't think they're made from actual whiskey casks. That would be way too thin. Anyways, the specs are pretty awesome. The neck is, like, first thing I noticed was the neck. It's got weight to it. It's solid, and that's really good for all this versatile tuning you can do with a cigar box guitar. The neck is made out of mahogany. The fretboard is, let me look, I think it was walnut. Yes, the fingerboard is walnut. The nut and bridge saddle is ABS plastic. The actual bridge is walnut. The wood of the body itself, on the website, it says sapelli, which I think they mean sapele. So that's like a close alternative to mahogany, which is kind of cool. 2 sound holes, which is good for this kind of hollow body guitar. If you have a middle sound hole, you get a lot of feedback. It says something about the soundboard is removable, where I don't get that. The sound holes, let me quote that actually. Sound hole, double hull with removable wood cover. You know, I looked, I tried, I don't remove these without breaking it. The soundboard itself is attached, so I have no clue what they're talking about there. Other than that, the pickup it sounds really good actually. I recorded a blind test to my guitarist and just sent it to him and said, guess what kind of guitar this is? And he thought Stratocaster, and he said P90 pickup, which it is a P90 pickup. You can get these with, they're totally acoustic or with a piezo pickup. And those are really noisy when you hit on the soundboard. You can make a piezo pickup for like $2. But they have a unique sound, of course. The tuning keys, they're nothing special. They're cheap. I mean, the company is from Belgium, I believe. It says European design, Belgium. But these are manufactured in China. But I have to say they did a really good job. They play really good. Super easy to play. And solid. The tuning, okay, if you're going to change tuning drastically, that's totally normal. Then it's going to have to adjust with the neck and the truss rod. But other than that, yeah, there's been no problems with it. Yeah, it's. I have no idea how much it cost because it was a gift from my girlfriend, so I'm not going to be rude and look at the price. These go for cheap. You can buy them for like $25 on Amazon at the cheapest models. You can buy kits on eBay and build your own. You can build your own. The hardest thing is making the frets, I think, which I'm going to look into. But it's actually a very solid instrument. I mean, the pickup sounds good. The tuning is stable. Even I've tried like quite a few tunings on it. It's very small. There is you can wear it with a strap. The shape is not super uncomfortable. Depends what you're playing, but it's actually okay for just holding in your lap. But you can put a strap on it. There's the bottom strap button. For the top part, you're gonna have to put one of those strings like an acoustic guitar and wind it through here, which I could install one here on the back of it, but that would be more comfortable anyways. I don't know, the acoustic tone is really good. You can change the gauge of strings on it. The neck is solid. That's like, I think, the most important thing on something like this. But the electronics also sound really good. We have a volume and a tone knob. It's super simple, which is really cool because with this tone I'm using right now, it's very sensitive to how high I turn the volume. As well as the tone knob. And I mean, for me, this is the first time I played a Cigar Box guitar, so it's really cool because the tuning possibilities, it plays like a guitar. You can tune it so many different ways. It really opens up a can of worms of what a fretted instrument can be. So that's enough on this. Like I said, I think I have to do a few videos on this. I'm going to go into some videos of how it sounds through the Kemper, which I'm plugged in right now. We hear how it sounds acoustic. also just like the different tunings, the different ways of playing it, the different ways it makes you react as a musician when you're used to a fretted instrument. I think I really love this thing. So I guess there'll be some more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, and that's just the review so far of this particular guitar.